Hello everyone and welcome back to our Canva course from basic to advanced. And for this lesson, which is lesson number 4, we are going to go ahead and learn about templates, how you can use templates, when you should use templates, why you should use templates, and also how you can customize your templates to your own custom way, or how you can create your own templates as well. So we'll be covering a lot today for this lesson. So without further wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get started with templates. So to first access the templates, you need to go ahead, come over to your main menu over here and go to templates over here, where you will have a lot of variation of templates that you can use for. Now, as you can see underneath all templates over here, you have various forms ready to teach lessons. So these are lesson type templates. So if you're, let's say, a teacher, you want to teach graphics designing or any kind of other areas, you can use these templates for those specific purposes. Then you can also have the grade as well for the complexity. So as you can see, there are various grades. You have subject as well. So you have math, science, visual art. You have resource type as well. So lessons, presentation, posters, whiteboards, and much more, right? And you have flashcards as well, infographics as well. Then you may also like, these are like suggestions from Canva to you, depending on what kind of projects that you usually work with. So if you work with mostly, let's say, social media, in the case for advertisement, then you will be seeing a lot of advertisement type suggestions from Canva here. Then inspired by your last design. So in my last design, I went for a pirate treasure map type of design, which I worked on previously before this lessons, which I'm teaching you. So that's why inspired by your last design, and here they are giving me some designs which look similar to that design. Then trending near you. So these are the designs which people who are basically using Canva near my geolocation, that is, which Canva takes in. The new in Canva, these are the new designs in Canva, as you can see. Then educational presentations, you have educational videos as well. You have infographics as well. You have classroom posters as well. So there are a lot of variety of things that you can do with all these templates. So like there are a lot of information here, there are a lot of templates here on Canva. So you might get confused, let's say, like on what to choose to make or what to choose for a template for a first project, right? So let's just go ahead, select a theme for our template, or select a category for a template, and then we go ahead and I'll start ahead from that point and show you. So infographics are very much simple. So infographics are very simple. So I'm going to start with infographics. Come to infographic over here. And as you can see, we have 2,307 templates here that we can work with. So that's a lot. As you can see, that number is a lot. Now moving forward, as we're doing infographic, or now as we are going to use infographic as a template, let's go ahead and let's say we take this benefits of reading, right? Let's go ahead and use this template. And as you can see, you can have suggestions over here for a lot more designs that you can use. Now, let's say this is the topic, benefits of reading. Let's go ahead and press on customize this template, and this will pop up, as you can see. And you can interact with all the elements over here to see how these are configured or how this is actually designed. Now, this is very unique in case for Canva. Why? Because if you were to go ahead and design or start designing and use a template, it will give you that boost in creativity and that boost in knowledge on how you can set up your own designs. Like for example, let's say you do not know anything about designing and you opened up this template, then you will have a rough idea or one idea of how one type of design is done. So headline is here, or the caption or the title is here. Then you have a nice graphic over here which compromises of the title. Then you have a few other designs like this star over here, which gives like a shining effect. Then you have other two designs here, just add-ons. Then you have a background over here, as you can see. Now, Another thing is 4 points here. So you have improved comprehension, enhanced vocabulary, stress education or stress reductions. Then you have increased knowledge and a small paragraph that goes along with this headings over here. And then you also have, let's say, these characters over here just as a unique design, matching with the color, with the background, with also so improved comprehension. As you can see, this character is going through the book or reading, and then he points at his head. So improved comprehension, which goes well with this image over here. It gives you a similarity with the heading over here. Then enhanced vocabulary, thinking over here, also reading the book, and also pointing towards or near the cheek, which is near the mouth. So enhanced vocabulary goes well with that. Then you have stress reduction over here, which also get like here reading the book and drinking coffee. So coffee reduces down your stress level a bit because of the caffeine. So that's why it goes well with this one. Then increased knowledge. As you can see, this person over here or this cartoon character over here is very happy. The eyes are very big, brightened up skin. So which gives like an illumination type of vibe to it. So it goes well with the increased knowledge over here. And then at the end for this entire template, you see it's really greatsite.com, which is the creator, where the creator is located at, and they gave this website link so that anyone who uses this template can go to their website and know more about them, or see if there are any more other templates like this or any more other graphics like this available on their website or not. So that's also a good form of marketing from this creator as well on Canva. So templates are basically like that. Now if I were to go to styles over here, you'll find that this color combinations, right? As I mentioned before, if you were to say have a template opened up and change your color palettes, it will change the color, right? So let me go ahead and select it, and as you can see, it's changed the color palette over here. Now if I were to select anything, as you can see, this will all change the design now. When I selected this, as you can see, the design changed, but it still looks good, right? So you can mismatch, change the design, customize it however you want, and see what goes well with your overall design for your project or for whatever you're doing on Canva. Now, if you want, you can also use video templates as well. To give you an example, I'll just go ahead and close this. And I don't also need it from my recent designs, so I'm going to move it to trash, and you can find it at trash over here. So now I'm going to go for a presentation, for example. Now, as you can see underneath the designs over here, underneath templates over here, you have a lot of templates here as well. So if you were to, let's say, click on this and apply, as you can see, this is now used as a template over here. So you can basically use templates for anything that you want. So let me go ahead and go, that was for a presentation. You can also do it for a poster, document, resume, logo, a dog, video as well. So let me just go ahead and go for a video. And then templates over here, as you can see, if I were to like go ahead and click on this, and let's say I play it now. And as you can see, this is a template being used right now. So you can go ahead and use any kind of templates from anywhere over here, and you can customize the elements accordingly. And I'll also show you how you can do your video editing with templates and every other editing with any kind of templates that you want as we go through our lessons. This is a lesson just for templates, so I just showed you a couple of templates and how you can go ahead and customize them. And if you want to go ahead and deep dive into the more customization aspects of templates, I'll just go ahead and let's select this template over here. So I'm going to add this template over here. As you can see, this is an image, right? If I were to double click on it, nothing happens. I can go ahead and delete this, and then as you can see, delete image, the image will be removed. Then you can go to your uploads over here. In the user interface, you have uploads over here. So underneath uploads, as you can see, this is an image, these are the images which I have uploaded onto Canva. So you can go ahead and, let's say, open up File Explorer. You click and drag on an image and put it right here. Doesn't matter where you put it, you just put it here, or you can put it in the empty section over here. Once you put it, it's going to go ahead and upload. Then you can just drag it and drop it over here. And as you can see, it looks now good, right? Now I can go ahead and select this, change the text. I can also go ahead and select this, move it around, or add in a new icon. You can also upload videos. You can also upload audios as well. So it's very straightforward on how to use Canva, how to use the templates, how you can customize the templates as well. Going back to design over here, as you can see, this is the design. Then you can have the styles. You can also go ahead and change the styles for this entire thing. As you can see, now I have, as you can see, changed the style which matches the dress color of this beautiful lady over here. So that is how you can go ahead and change and customize your templates in both cases for videos and audios, not specifically audios, but videos, presentations, or images, or any kind of post or social media post that you want to create. You can go ahead and change the style, change the template, adjust the template, customize the template to however you want. So that will basically be it for this lesson on templates, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.